Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom tab design in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to organize content on your WordPress site in a clean, interactive format that keeps your visitors engaged. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu options. Click on Pages, and from there, click Add Page. This will create a new page for you to work with. Now, to start building with Elementor, select Edit with Elementor. This launches the Elementor Page Builder interface, giving you access to all the design tools you need. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look over to the widget panel on the left side of your screen. In the search bar, type in Tabs. This will filter the available widgets and show you the Tabs widget. You can either click on it or simply drag it directly into a section on your page. The Tabs widget is incredibly useful for displaying multiple pieces of content in a compact, organized manner without cluttering your page. Once the Tabs widget is placed, you'll see default tabs appear. To customize these, you can rename each tab by typing your desired title in the title field. This is where you make each tab label relevant to the content it will contain. If you need more tabs than the default number provided, simply click on the Add Item button. This allows you to expand your tabs as much as you need, making it flexible for various types of content. Next, switch over to the Style tab. This is where the real customization begins. Here you can adjust the border width based on your preferences. Whether you want a subtle line or a bold border, this setting gives you control over the visual appearance of your tabs. Take a moment to play around with the border settings until you find what looks best for your design. Now locate the Typography section within the Style tab. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with options like font and size. Choose a font that matches your website's branding and adjust the size to ensure readability. Typography plays a huge role in how professional and polished your tabs will look, so don't rush through this step. After you're satisfied with the styling, head over to the Advanced tab. This section gives you even more control over spacing and layout. Adjust the margin and padding settings to fine-tune how much space appears around and inside your tabs. Proper spacing can make your design feel more balanced and visually appealing. Finally, once you've completed all your customizations, make sure to save your work. Click Save Draft, which you'll find beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This ensures that all your changes are preserved so you can review or continue editing later. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom tab design in Elementor. Your page now has a professional, organized look that enhances user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.